Bam.
What is that mysterious ticking noise? Not over here, not over there. Kind of catchy. Snape, Snape, Severus Snape, 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 Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape,
Dumbledore!
Snape, Severus Snape, Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape, Snape,
Hermione!
Severus Snape,
Dumbledore! Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
Severus
Harry Potter!
Snape,
Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! Harry Potter! That's me!
Snape,
Harry!
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 Snape,
Dumbledore! Hermione!
Snape,
Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! I'm Harry Potter! Harry Potter!
singing our song all day long at Hogwarts.
I found the source of the ticking! It's a pipe bomb!
Yeah!
Voldemort, Voldemort, ooh, Voldemort.
Bam, 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 bam.
Glamorous indie rock and roll is what I want.
Yeah.
Two of us flipping through a thrift store magazine. She plays the drums.
Alright, let's be done now.
Tambourine.
Me and Chandler are still doing
Put your bottom dollar on me.
I used to have long hair.
Rock and roll for me.
Okay, guys, that's enough. No, it isn't. My turn. My turn. Don't. Chilling. Chilling. Okay, let's pause. Give us some love, brother.
Take me rock and roll for me. In the clutch.
Oh, and you can get around. So, I'm gonna be done now.